Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Curt A16 fifth wheel trailer hitch with the S20 slider. It has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this fifth wheel hitch mounts in your truck bed so that you can tow your fifth wheel trailer, and this one is a slider design. It's for use on trucks with beds that are shorter than 8 feet, usually 6 foot to 6.5 foot long beds, and it is not recommended for use on truck beds that are shorter than 6 feet. I did want to zoom in here and we'll talk about the head here. It uses the high strength interlocking 2-jaw system right here. Provides a nice 360-degree jaw to kingpin contact. Basically these jaws will fully wrap around your kingpin to minimize noise. Gives you less rattle, more security than the slide bar models. Now at the end of this video I am going to demonstrate how the jaws work and then also how the slider works. But we first want to go through some features on this. Now this does use a fully articulating head. Instead of your front to back and side to side models, this will give you a fully articulating head for controlled coupling and a nice stable quiet ride. It does self-align for easy hookup and helps suppress any road shock. Also on the jaws right here, what's nice is they do have 2 built-in grease zerk fittings, one on here, one on this jaw, and you can just attach your grease gun to it, pump grease in there so it makes for easy lubrication of the jaws. Now one of the main features on this is the 3-point color-coded lock indicator system. This will ensure secure towing, and what's nice about it, that lock system is visible here from the cab of your truck. It's located right under the hitch head back here, so when you're in your cab you can turn around and look and it'll show a color indicator of what position your jaws are in. And what I wanted to do is pop up an insert, and there's the 3 different positions, and you can see where that color is located right under the hitch head. So right back here, right now the jaws are closed, so it's showing a green circle. That means the jaws are locked, they're closed, they're ready to tow. If it showed, like in the second picture there, if it shows a yellow triangle, that'll mean these jaws are open, you're ready to couple. And if it shows a red octagon, it means the jaws are locked open, it's uncoupled, you're safe to pull away. So basically when you're in your cab, if you turn around and look at what color is showing, it'll tell you the position of the jaws. Now this does use a lockable handle. Comes with a large pin and clip that you can just pop out to activate it. If you want to not use this pin and clip, the hole is large enough. You could put a padlock through there if you want extra security to lock the handle so nobody could get to it. It is a single throw operation handle. It will self-reset to the ready to couple position after you uncouple your trailer. Also a nice feature is if you're by yourself and you want to remove your fifth wheel, right here you'll notice there's a clip and a large pin. If you pull that clip out and remove this large pin, there's a handle back here, pull out that large pin, you could take out the head from the cross member and then unbolt the cross member, take that out, and then remove the slider. So one person could disassemble this. Now it does include this plastic lube plate, and this is designed to install onto your kingpin of your trailer, and it'll help the kingpin glide smoothly into the hitch during hookup, and then it'll prevent any messy grease buildup on your hitch head. Also, if you notice, it does come with the installation hardware to install it to your bed rails. Comes with a nice instruction manual to describe how this all goes together and how it operates. And this does allow you to it gives you a 4-inch hitch height adjustment. Now hitch height is critical because when you go to tow your trailer, you want it to be as level with the tow vehicle as possible. So you can adjust this cross member here. There's 3 levels that you can adjust it. I want to show you there's a view. So right here, this cross member will have a row, a second row, and a third row. We've put it on the middle row just to show you. But basically those 3 rows will give you a range from 17.5 inches to 21.5 inches. And what that measurement is from the truck bed to the top of the hitch head. That'll be the measurement. So you can get a 4-inch hitch height range to adjust it to make it level when you're towing. Now this does use a non-binding slider. This will help provide clearance that's required for the short bed trucks to turn safely at slow speeds. The slider travels 12 inches front to back. Right now it's in the towing position, which is closest to the cab. If it slides back your 12 inches towards the tailgate, that'll give you more clearance in the maneuvering position. This will prevent the trailer from hitting the cab of your truck during any sharp, slow turns. And what's nice, this will automatically latch in both directions, so you only have to exit the truck once. It is a very simple installation. We mentioned it comes with the hardware. to install onto the base rail. You will need to have base rails and an installation kit. Those items we do sell separately on our website. Now this is compatible with the Curt, the B&W, the Demco, the Draw-Tite, the Husky, and the Reese above bed base rails. This fifth wheel is a nice sturdy steel construction, has a nice durable powder coat finish to it. Gross towing weight capacity is 16,000 pounds, vertical load limit of 4,000 pounds. So what I want to do now is demonstrate the hitch head first. So what we're going to do is pop the clip, remove the pin and clip, and if you notice it is tethered, so you won't lose it, it'll just hang there safely. So now that it's unlocked, you just take your handle, pull it out, and then move it this way towards the cab of the truck, and you notice both jaws open. And again, we look at the color indicator down here, it's going to show yellow, so that means you're open, ready to connect. So right here I have an example of what a kingpin would be like on your fifth wheel. So that'll slide right into here between the two jaws, and you'll notice when you get far enough, those jaws completely wrap around it, lock into place. Your handle, you notice, moved up, the hole lines up. So again, you just take your pin, drop it through there, clip it, and now you're locked into place, and you're all ready to go. Simple as that. Now to show you how the slider operates, same way, they'll have a pin in here. So if you pop open this pin, remove the pin in the clip, and then your handle, you'll just push down, and that'll unlock it, and you'll notice this slider can slide now. So what you're going to do is go from the towing positions 12 inches to the back, which will put you in the maneuvering position. So we'll just show you. You can see when you get far enough, if you notice that locks into place, the handle comes up and locks it, the hole lines up, and you're locked in the maneuvering position. So it'll give you 12 inches more clearance from your cab. And then again, you'll put your pin and clip in there to hold it. When you're ready to go back to towing position, take out your pin and clip, push your handle down all the way again, and then you'll notice this will come all the way back up. And again, when you hit the lock position, that handle comes up, locks into place. Take your pin, slide it through there, line up your clip, push it on, and now you're locked, all ready to go. So it's very simple to operate. But that should do it for the review on this Curt A16 fifth wheel trailer hitch with the S20 slider. Has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.